Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to link accounts on Chime. Now if you are wondering how to link your accounts on Chime, this video is for you. Let's get straight into it. Now the first step is to log into your Chime accounts, and of course you want to open the Chime app or log on to the official website, and then enter your login credentials to access your accounts. And once you're in, the second step is to navigate to the Move Money tab. So you want to tap or click on Move Money tab. Then you want to select Link an account or add a bank account. And the third step, of course, is to choose the type of account you want to link. The first one is to select the type of account you want to link. So that could be a bank account, credit card, investment accounts, or whatever other accounts you got. The fourth step, of course, is to enter the account details. So you want to enter the account details, including the account number, the routing number, the account type, and whether it is checking or savings account. The fifth step, of course, is to verify the account. Now, Chime is going to send you two small test deposits to the linked account, and what you want to do is to enter the amounts of the test deposits to verify your account. Once that is there, the sixth step, of course, is confirm the account linking. So what you want to do is to review the account details and confirm that they are correct, and then tap or click confirm to complete the account linking process. Once you're done with that, your account will be successfully linked, and that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you found it useful, like the video, of course, and comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. Share the video with your friends, of course, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And also make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.